everyone, this is Kelly and welcome back to CUMIC Weekly, where we bring you the latest Chinese steel prices and market trends every single week. If you're new here, simply hit subscribe and the button right here to miss out on any future updates. This week, China's steel market continued to show a volatile and fluctuating trend. So, what's going on? Overall, market sentiment has cooled a bit, and demand remains weak, which is putting pressure on steel prices. Nevertheless, cost support remains strong. That's keeping prices from falling too far. From supply and demand dynamics, we haven't seen a clear improvement in demand yet. Finished steel inventories are not reducing much, and that's keeping prices on a relatively low level. In terms of raw materials, molten iron output is still high, which supports prices for iron ore, coking coal, and coke. Coking coal in particular is being driven not just by demand, but also by recent anti-inflation policy and general market sentiment. It's now looking more likely to rise than fall. So overall, with both bullish and bearish factors in play, the market is staying in a state of back and forth pattern. Next, let's examine the supply and demand side. This week, China's apparent steel demand went up by 237,000 tons, while inventory went down by more than 90,000 tons. Production went up in the meanwhile. After 8 consecutive weeks of stock buildup, we've finally seen the first stock decline since late July. Apparent demand is also climbing, reaching a new high for the past 2.5 months. However, compared to the same period in previous years, demand remains weak and stock level is still relatively high. So where do we go from here? In general, the supply-demand dynamic is still improving, and cost support remains strong. That means steel prices are not likely to fall much. On the macro level, the Fed has officially cut interest rates, which supports overseas demand and pushes up commodity prices. Putting it all together, we believe the steel market is likely to remain volatile in the short term, and we expect a gradual rebound in the mid to long term, supported by policy signals and improving fundamentals. Well, what's your take on the Chinese steel market? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up. Just hit the subscribe button right here. See you next week. Bye bye.